Father's Day is coming up, and are you looking for something cool, maybe something different, maybe something that's going to wow dad? Well, she is a 20-year home improvement lifestyle expert. Kathryn Emery is joining us this morning. She always brings the cool tools with her. I've been in studio. We've had some really good times with some of the stuff you brought. What'd you bring for dad today, Kathryn?
I wish you were with me because you would love these Heart Power Tools. So like you said, get dad tools. So Heart Power Tools, you can get him tools and you get 70 different tools that are all going to work with one powerful lithium ion battery. So once you get them into the set, like this is a combo kit here, you get 4 tools and the battery for $138. Wow. And what a lot of people don't realize is Heart is made by TTI and they're an industry leader in cordless technology. So you're getting that a great quality tool, and also they use brushless technology in their motor. So basically it means you're going to have more power, longer runtime. Dad's going to have the power to get the job done. So just a great line by Heart Tools. That's at Walmart. And what I love is that project, like I want to have dad, let's get dad tools, but let's do a project with him, right? So this is a taco stand we made. Heart has some great project plans on their website. You got to go check it out. They've got a beer caddy, a breakfast in bed tray, dad's workbench, whatever you need. Heart Tools is going to have you figured it all out for you.
I love that. Oh, I love that. And besides, you know, my husband's in construction. It's very important to have one battery or one size battery. You don't want to have a whole ton of different kinds of batteries, right?
Oh, exactly. I love it too. Well, and it's interchangeable. So outdoor power equipment, vacuums, automotive, all these power drills, just that one battery and you're clicking it into all those different tools. It just makes it so easy.
So easy. Dad's going to love you. All right. While we're in the man cave, what else do you have? Maybe dad leads a little organization. I know a lot of dads that do.
You put it perfectly. Absolutely. Let's get everything off the floor and onto the walls. So you should invest in this Rubbermaid Fast Track Garage 6-piece storage rail system. This is going to get dad started. It's a 6-piece kit. It's got 2 rails to hang everything up that are super easy to install, a power tool hook, a utility hook, multi-purpose hook, and a 2-handle hook. But here's where it's nice, Terry. You can keep adding based on what your dad wants. So balls, bikes, shelves, cabinets, whatever dad has out there, you can customize it just for him and get everything, like I said, off the walls and off the floors and onto the walls. And then he's got the perfect man cave. He can work with his Heart Tools and make all those cool projects on their website. So you can find this Rubbermaid Fast Track Garage system at Lowe's, but just a great, super easy way to get the man cave organized.
I love it. I love it. All right, let's talk about food. What dad doesn't want food, right? Come on.
Right. And proteins. What man doesn't want their proteins? So I love ButcherBox. It's such a great option because you're going to get high quality, humanely raised meat and sustainably sourced seafood that's going to show up right to your door. I mean, we got this box. It has bacon, it has salmon burgers, filet mignon, lobsters, scallops. I really love that they think about the animal, the farmer, and the environment. I love that humanely raised, sustainably sourced, and that it's high quality. And they have that you can customize it based on what you want. More meats, more seafoods. Oh. My husband and my son made this smoky citrus grilled chicken thighs off the justcook.butcherbox.com website. So just a great thing. And who doesn't want it showing right up to your door? Really high quality meats and seafood right at your door.
That's the best part. That's the best part. It's right outside your front door. All right, let's talk about something fun. And I'll just say a bit unusual.
Well, I mean, who doesn't want to rock out in their shower? Kohler has thought of it for you. So this is the Moxie Bluetooth shower head speaker. So like I said, you get a really high quality speaker right there in the middle of your shower head. So if dad wants to listen to the end of the game, he can listen to it. It also is Alexa enabled. She's everywhere. She's showering with you now, but he can check on weather, check on the traffic, get news reports. So it's just a really fun thing. And I love that when you're done showering, hey, you want to take the speaker with you? You can just take it right out and take it with you. So this is the Kohler Moxie shower head. Just a great thing.
You might as well be in the know all day long. Thank you very much, Kathryn. Let me give our viewers some more information. You can visit Kathryn's website. It's bethebesthome.com.